So this video is going to be the first entry in a little vlog series that I'm doing here at the observatory, where I'm going to try to document day-to-day excursions here at the observatory, what's going on. So obviously it's not as great as it's going to be, but you know, it's going to get better. No great microphone setup here right now, that's okay. We're going to get to that here in the future. But I just wanted to talk about some of the things that are going on right now at the observatory. So today we got our WeatherLink weather station back online. So if you want to view that, that's viewable either from the weatherlink.com or you can go check it out on our website. Soon we're going to have a widget built directly into the front page of our website, so you'll be able to see our weather directly from the observatory on there. A couple other things. We had our Unify access point and Poe Network Switch come in today. We're still waiting on our Cloud Key, which will be our new network controller, but that is still coming in the mail. Currently we're using the internet that's provided to us from our local parks department, and that's great and it's working really good, but we need to have some sort of wired stuff to connect all of our computers up from upstairs and downstairs and at the telescope. So to get all that stuff to communicate with each other, we're going to use this switch, and in the future we're going to have more than just this little guy. This is going to get us started because it has 4 PoE ports here, as well as 4 non-PoE ports. So this can power devices such as this directly over an Ethernet cable, which is really great. In other news, we have these control boxes that I have 3D printed and designed. So in here you can see these PCBs here are designed by, here it's upside down, by Max, it's the Max Dome 2 by Diffraction Limited. Really excited to get these installed. So we had to create some boxes for them, so I 3D printed these as well as a lid for it. I ran out of filament when I was printing it in green, but it just slaps on like this. It's a really tight fit, so I'm not going to do it now, but this is going to be great. It's going to get mounted underneath the dome of the observatory, and that is going to control the movement of the dome as the telescope moves throughout the night, so it'll follow it. Currently we have a hand controller that we have to push by ourselves left and right, and it gets really annoying. So one of these will be mounted on a post under the dome and it will monitor the rotation, and then another one of these boards, so we have 2 of them, another one will operate the shutter and tell it when to open and close. So very exciting. Can't wait to get these guys installed. We have more hardware equipment that we need to get installed, like an RS-232 splitter, a USB splitter for everything, and we want to get all of that mounted on in a nice box and a piece of equipment, so the computer and everything will all be consolidated together and it won't have a bunch of loose wires hanging around everywhere below, because that's just a tripping hazard, and that space is already tight enough as it is. You know, you're in a little crawl space, so we want to clear that up as much as possible. So that's a lot of the big news that's going on here at the observatory. We're really excited to get all of this going and start having live streams up on YouTube and possibly other websites, and also our own website. So yeah, get subscribed and make sure you're tuning in for those. We're literally a few weeks away from the Ritchie telescope being able to produce images live on social media. So that's going to be really exciting. So stay tuned in for that, and thank you guys for watching. We're going to hopefully have another video posted tomorrow about some of the stuff that I talked about today and seeing where it goes from here. So I'll talk to you guys soon.